Have you ever been at work trying to manage inventory, looking at the stuff in front of you, not knowing how many are in stock? So I decided to build a functional inventory system using Google Sheets and their app script. Well, I built a solution in 2 days, and let me show you. Before I show you how the actual thing, how it works, in front of us is the structure, how the system is supposed to be working. So, for example, there's two categories of beer and wine inputs. And through the input panels, we can update it to its own database for beer and for wines. After that, they're also able to combine all the data of whatever categories you decide to add later to the master database here. And there will also be a log to see who operates it when it's operated. And let me show you how the actual system works. So this is the master log. As you can see, there's a timestamp, the operators, categories, products, task type, before change, and a brief about the changes. And here's the master database. It will record the categories from the other individual datas and will list it here and their products. Here's the user. Tap here, you can add how many users you want. For example, it's here in the database beer, and you can select who is operating the updates. And you also can just add underneath and updates here. Or you can just delete them and they will disappear. For here, I'm showing you now is an individual database for particular categories, and these are some example lists. And from database, I can also change how many case here, and you can see from the master data log, it's recorded right here. And it recorded user, which is user. And you can also see here, over here hasn't updated yet, but if I click here and let it sync, it will change. Voila! And here's the inputs. Select different types of products. For example, these. You can minus or add, and the button's right here. And you see. And we can so sheet here. You manually click to sync. And it will update the whole list. That's all. If you're interested how my script works, I will leave my GitHub repo in the description.